Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create a speaking animated character with Midjourney AI. Okay, first things first is to create your own character with Midjourney. Go to your Midjourney server and type in /imagine and add the prompt that you want to add. After that, I am going to go ahead and hit the enter button. Then, just wait for the AI to generate it for you. But please take note that due to high demand, Midjourney can only be accessed through a paid subscription. So, for you to get the result, just subscribe to Midjourney and it will give you the result that you were looking for. However, if you don't have budget for the meantime, do not worry, because another thing you can do is to proceed with other website alternatives. So, the other website that we can use is Photosonic. So here in Photosonic, you will just have to type in whatever prompt that comes in mind and you may now proceed. For example, I'll type in portrait of an average Canadian male, black and white. Generate it and just wait for the result. And here's the result. However, please do manage your expectations because it is only a pre-AI website. If you want high quality results, we encourage you to save up and subscribe to paid AI like Midjourney. Anyways, once you have your own character, what you want to do is head on to Well Said Labs. Just insert your script here and generate your audio file. Then now that you have your audio file, what you are going to do next is head to another platform called DID. Simply select the image of the person and select the audio track that you want, and you will have to upload in here. And when you have done that, just press generate. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now create a speaking character with Midjourney AI. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.